I need a little help with my split ends and overall frizziness. You apply it to wet hair, a dime-sized portion, and you rub your hands together to emulsify it, and you work it through, focusing on mid to the ends. I love a leave-in conditioner. It's so easy, and it gives the product time to really stay on and work. Watch and see how great these results are. Look at the difference Pantene Keratin Hydrolyzed Protein hair treatment has made in my hair. It is so nice and feels very nourished. I styled it as usual. This leave-in hair conditioner is terrific. It smooths and moisturizes, and it forms new hair bonds. It has a luxury cashmere feeling with after one use. I've just used it just once here, and my hair feels terrific already. It's safe for colored and treated hair, and you just leave it in and go. I love, especially when used with other Pantene products, I love Pantene's Keratin Leave-In Conditioner.